Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cut and trim a video in Shotcut. So if you want to cut or you want to trim videos, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So first thing you have to do is to add your videos from your playlist onto your timeline. So just to do that, you can just simply use the drag and drop editors mode in Shotcut. So just drag from here, then place it here. You can also add from the screen right here, then add it to your timeline. So once your video is on your timeline, so for you to be able to trim or cut split video, for you to be able to do that, you have to move your playhead. For you to cut your video, you have to move your playhead to the part of the video you want to cut. So right now, I want to cut this part of the video. I can see my playhead is at the top of the part of the video I want to cut. So you click on split. You can see this part is split. Now, if you want to cut if the part of the video you want to cut is in between from the beginning of the playhead down to where the playhead stops, that's where you want to cut. So you have to move your playhead back to the part where you want to cut out of the video. So let's say I want to cut this part of the video. So I'm going to split again. And I can now see that this part of the video is cut out of the video. So for me to do that, I can now click on delete from the keyboard. Then you can see this part of the video is out. Then I can now join these two clips again together with the other one. Then join it again. Then by the time you play the video, move back to the player. See that nothing shows. Nothing shows that a part of the video is being cut out. So that is how you can simply cut a video. And also, if you want to trim, you can just adjust from the beginning of the playhead and just drag like this. You can just drag like this. You can see. You can just simply trim a part of the video. Just trim a part. So a part of like this is trimmed out. Then just join it again. And that's a simple way and trick you can cut and trim videos in Shotcut. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.